Welcome to Best Choice. The best nail clipper is probably one of the most essential yet frequently overlooked grooming tools in our daily lives, and choosing the right one can make a significant difference in achieving perfectly trimmed nails with ease and precision. Whether you're dealing with thick toenails, delicate fingernails, or simply seeking a comfortable and efficient experience, the market offers a diverse range of clippers designed to cater to various needs and preferences, from ergonomic designs that fit comfortably in your hand to those with built-in nail files and catchers to keep your workspace clean. This review will delve into what makes a nail clipper truly stand out, ensuring your grooming routine is both effective and enjoyable. Number 5. HAWATOUR Nail Clippers Set. Introducing the HAWATOUR Nail Clippers Set, designed for precision and durability. Experience a clean, effortless cut every time. Equipped with ultra-sharp blades, these clippers ensure a smooth and precise cut for both fingernails and toenails. Say goodbye to jagged edges. Crafted for longevity, its sturdy construction guarantees reliable performance. These clippers are built to last, offering consistent quality. Keep your clippers organized and protected with the included visibly tin case. It's perfect for storage at home or on the go. The sleek black finish adds a touch of elegance to this practical grooming tool. It's a stylish addition to your personal care collection. Achieve perfectly groomed nails with ease. This set provides a comfortable grip and superior control for all your nail care needs. What we like. This set offers incredibly sharp blades for a clean cut every time. Its sturdy construction ensures durability for long-term use. If you're looking for precision and a reliable tool that comes with convenient storage, this is a great choice. What people say. Both pairs are good and sharp, cutting with no problem. They're solid, heavy-duty feeling metal. Very sturdy and sharp nail clippers. They clip sharply and do a better job of not splintering my nails. These are top-quality clippers. They are sharp and get the job done. Heavy-duty. Number 4. SZQHT Ultra Wide Jaw Nail Clipper Set. Tired of struggling with thick nails? Our innovative clippers are designed for a smooth, effortless cut every time. Experience the difference with superior precision and comfort. Specifically engineered for thick and tough nails, these clippers provide the strength you need. Say goodbye to nail splitting and hello to clean, precise cuts. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this heavy-duty tool is built to last. Enjoy durable performance that makes nail care simple and effective. Perfect for both men and women, including seniors. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip and easy handling for all users. Achieve salon-quality results at home. Use it for both fingernails and toenails to maintain a neat and polished appearance. Featuring an extra-wide jaw opening, it easily accommodates thicker nails. This design prevents excessive pressure and ensures a clean cut without damage. What we like. With its ultra-wide jaw opening, this clipper is designed to handle even the thickest of nails with ease. Its heavy-duty build makes it perfect for those who struggle with tough toenails. If you or a loved one has particularly thick or difficult to cut nails, this is the tool you need. What people say. Very sharp. Perfect size. These clippers are sturdy and get the cut done with ease. They are sharp and the handle is ergonomically correct and make cutting toenails easier and with less strain on the fingers and wrists. The ultra-wide jaw opening and sharp stainless steel blades make cutting very thick toenails much easier compared to standard clippers. For anyone dealing with tough, dense nails, these definitely get the job done cleanly without splitting. Number 3. SZQHT Ultra Wide Jaw Nail Clippers Set. Tired of struggling with thick nails? Our nail clippers are designed for a smooth and effortless cut every time. Specifically engineered with a wide jaw opening, these clippers tackle even the toughest, thickest nails with ease. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this heavy-duty nail cutter ensures long-lasting durability and precision. Perfect for seniors, men, and women, they provide a comfortable and secure grip for easy at-home manicures and pedicures. Get professional-looking results from the comfort of your home. Achieve perfectly groomed nails with minimal effort. This stylish set comes in a sleek silver finish, making it a practical and attractive addition to your personal care routine. What we like. This option also features an ultra-wide jaw opening, making it ideal for tackling thick nails. Its robust design ensures it can handle demanding tasks. If you need a powerful and effective solution for managing thick toenails, consider this sturdy clipper. What people say. Very sharp. Perfect size. These clippers are sturdy and get the cut done with ease. They are sharp and the handle is ergonomically correct and make cutting toenails easier and with less strain on the fingers and wrists. The ultra-wide jaw opening and sharp stainless steel blades make cutting very thick toenails much easier compared to standard clippers. For anyone dealing with tough, dense nails, these definitely get the job done cleanly without splitting. Number 2. Ultra Sharp Nail Clippers Set. Introducing the Ultra Sharp Nail Clippers Set, designed for precision and ease. Achieve a clean, smooth cut every time with these high-quality tools. Crafted from durable stainless steel, these clippers are built to last. They offer superior strength and resistance to rust, ensuring long-term use. Each clipper features an integrated nail file for your convenience. Smooth rough edges and perfect your nail shape on the go. This versatile set is perfect for both fingernails and toenails. The sharp blades ensure a precise trim for all your grooming needs. Designed for both women and seniors, these clippers are easy to handle and use. Experience comfortable and effective nail care. The sleek silver finish adds a touch of elegance to your grooming kit. This set is as stylish as it is functional. What we like. This 2-pack set provides sharp, precise cutting for both fingernails and toenails. The integrated nail file is a convenient addition for smoothing edges. If you appreciate having a backup or want a tool that offers a complete nail grooming solution, this set is an excellent value. What people say. The nail clipper is very sharp and cuts through nails cleanly without any jagged edges. It has a built-in nail file that works surprisingly well for smoothing rough edges. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and provides a good grip, even for thicker nails. Number 1. Men's Professional Manicure and Pedicure Kit. Introducing a comprehensive grooming solution designed for both fingernails and toenails. This kit provides everything you need for a perfect manicure and pedicure. Crafted with professional-grade tools, it ensures precision and ease of use. Achieve salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. It comes with a durable travel case, making it easy to keep your tools organized and protected. Perfect for on-the-go grooming needs. This versatile kit makes an excellent gift for men and women alike. Show your loved ones you care with this thoughtful and practical present. Experience effortless nail care with this all-in-one set. Maintain immaculate hands and feet with minimal effort. Whether for yourself or as a gift for fathers, mothers, or anyone special, this set is a perfect choice. It's designed for everyone's personal care routine. What we like. This comprehensive set offers a professional manicure and pedicure experience. It comes neatly organized in a travel case, making it perfect for grooming on the go. If you're looking for a complete grooming kit with a touch of luxury and portability, this is the ideal gift or personal purchase. What people say. The tools are very durable and feel solid, not flimsy like many other sets I've tried. Each piece is sharp, well-made, and easy to use, making grooming quick and effortless. The case is sturdy and keeps everything organized, which is perfect for travel or everyday use. Sharp clippers that cut, not rip your nails off. Great size for travel or carrying in a backpack or glove box. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.